tray under the screen stand. Make charcoal on a grid stand. Place the igniter on the charcoal and light it. Move the charcoal so that the firepower of the charcoal is stable. Fan the flame with a fan to stabilize the heat. After the charcoal fire has stabilized, place the metal frame for the skewer holder onto the stone part above the furnace. Use a griddle for barbecue. How to clean up the stove. Remove the metal frame from the furnace, but be careful as it will be hot. Put the unburned charcoal into a pail using fire scissors. Put the ash that fell on the tray into a pail. Wash with water and wipe off dirt. Layer the upper rasa. Clean the inside of the furnace using a Juno and a garden brew. Finish by returning the tools and pails you used.
Yay!
Thank you for watching.